How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can array feature and body in Freecad. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to just create a simple sketch on my XY plane. In here, let's do something like a simple rectangle. And then let's just click close, click path, and then from here I should be good to go. The next thing that I'm going to do is to just actually add another sketch. So, well, the body is selected, you want to click on sketch, and then from here we are going to use the same plane, which is going to be this one. So let's click on OK, and then I'm just going to draw over my object right here. So let's add something like a 20 ellipse. Once again, you just want to select on the part where you want to apply your array feature. So in my case, it's going to be at the top of the rectangle right here. Let's draw a simple ellipse. And then once again, let's just go ahead and click on path. And now we have this option right here. Let's do something like 20 millimeters. And now let's go ahead and select one of the array features. So I'm going to be choosing the linear pattern. And here you just want to go ahead and choose your object. So in my case, it's going to be this one. You will be able to select the occurrences and the length. So I'm going to apply 4, and then let's do something like 100 millimeters. Now it will then go ahead and simply look something like this. If you want to increase this, you could go ahead and simply feel free to do so. So let's go ahead and make it this way. And right after, from there, you should be good to go. That's how simple it is. So guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.